Hello everyone. So today we will see how you can reset the password of your PC if you forget it. So many people face the problem that they set the password of their PC and later forget it. So this video is very important for them, and if you can see this video till the end, then you will know how to reset the password if you forget it. So let's start stepwise. The first step you have to do, and that is the basic step. You have to do this step in your PC for further future. Means if you don't know the password, then this step will not work. You have to do this right now. So the first step is create a new user ID in your PC. So if you don't know how to create a new user ID, you can just google it, or you can ask in the comment box. I will tell you how to create a new user ID. I have already created a new user ID in my computer. That is, you can see here, settings, account settings. You will see the option add a family member, and or add someone else to this PC. I have clicked on add someone else to the PC, to this PC, and I have logged in as Cypher as another account. Now this account is I have logged in as Abhinav Krishna. See here, it has logged in as Abhinav Krishna, and the other account is of the name Cypher. So I want to change the password of Cypher. I really don't know the password of Cypher. I have set it earlier when I made that account, and I really forgot that password. So the second step you have to do is open the command prompt as an administrator. And this point is rather important. You have to open the command prompt as an administrator. See how you can do this. Type cmd in the search bar, and then right click on the command prompt, or you can see here option run as an administrator. If you click on that, the command prompt will open as an administrator. You have to just click on yes. Then what you have to do, you have to type some code. The third step is type net user. Whatever I am typing, you can type that only in the command prompt. Type net user and press enter. Go there and type net user. You can see all the users that have logged in this computer are here. Abhinav Krishna, Cypher, or guest user. So I have to change the password of Cypher, and I have logged in as Abhinav Krishna. So how we can do that? That is fourth step. Type net user and the name of the user ID you want to change the password. Means you have to type the name of the user ID you want to the password to be changed. So here I will, and then press shift 8. Shift 8. So if you press shift 8, the asterisk mark will appear. So I have written shift 8 here as a step. So you can type that here in the command prompt. Net user. I have to change the password of the user Cypher. So it is CIPHER, and then I will press shift 8. The asterisk mark appeared. Then press enter. Now this is showing type of password for the user. So you don't have to type the old password that Cypher has set. You have to type new password, and that new password will override the old password. So you can type here anything, and this password you are typing will not appear. Just see, I am typing 12345, 12345, and this will not appear on the screen. So try to type a small password so that you can change later in Cypher. So press enter, then retype the password 12345, then press enter. The command completed successfully, means you have changed the password of the user Cypher. Now you can see there you have changed the password of the Cypher. So I will use my phone for the recording now, as a computer will log off. So stop. I want to suggest something, that you should keep one of your user ID password free and other user ID password protected, so that you can change other user ID's password with the help of one user ID which is password free. So now I will stop the recording and I will use my phone as a recorder. So